Hi friends, today I will show you how to host a meeting in Google Meet. First, search for Google Meet, then click on the first option. Click on New Meeting. There you will be provided with three options. First, we will select the second option, which is Start an Instant Meeting. It will start a meeting immediately, from where you can copy the link and share it with your friends, who will then be able to join. The second option is to click on Create a Meeting for Later. Once you click that, you will be provided with a link to the meeting. You can copy it, share it with your friends, or paste it into Google. Once pasted, you can then join the meeting. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.